Hi, this is the Autel EVO 2, and at CES this year it's being released with a new accessory, and that is basically a combination of a saddle system and what we call an EXOLANDER. The EXOLANDER actually has individual feet with their own suspension, eliminating the need for leg extensions. The EXOLANDER also allows a high power light to be mounted on it. This is a 2000 lumen light that weighs about 330 grams. The full assembly on top of those 330 grams is about 90 grams extra. To the EXOLANDER, we actually mount as well a payload delivery system. Here again we have the EVO 2 from Autel with the EXOLANDER, and next to that we have the payload delivery system. It's a highly simplified process that works separately from the actual vehicle. It allows full autonomy to the actual user to be able to activate anytime they wish. The parts that make it up are a bag, or something basically that attaches, that's where the payload goes in, a mount that goes directly into the EXOLANDER, a couple of locking pins, and basically 10 to 20 feet of cord with a pull handle. The payload delivery system is assembled quite easily. We insert the large ring into the slot all the way up, then we insert the pin into the hole, push it in until it locks. You can feel it lock. At that point, everything is set. What we do then, you can see on the EXOLANDER a keyhole looking hole on either side, and that's how it all goes together. We basically install the assembly unit and push it down, and now it's able to function. So at this point we set it up so that the payload is behind the vehicle, and this is now our pull cord that basically will pull from the air. Just for simplicity's sake, it's much easier to see it here. This is what happens. Let me pull it out. When we're ready to drop the payload, all we have to do is to pull on the cord. The cord will then release the pin and everything falls. Very, very quickly, very, very easily. Putting the pin, the ring back on, the pin back on, and we're ready to go again. One, two, and the cord. Okay, now we can fly. So now we have assembled everything and lifted up the drone to the person that needs help. This person could, in the bag we could have a tourniquet, we can have water, we can have a walkie-talkie, we can have a long list of items that may be needed by that user in trouble. And once we get there, all that person has to do is yank on the handle at the end of the rope. And that should release the pin and at the same time drop the payload. Note also how little the drone does move when he does this. And that's it. He got his payload, and now the drone can go home and go pick up something else.